Quick unboxing vid for a product I bought from weighsafe. This is not a sponsored video, it's just a product I thought was cool. Wanted to share with everybody. This is a aluminum trailer hitch with a built-in scale. I also got a 2-inch ball and what they call a clamshell, which adapts the 2-inch ball to 2 5/16 inch. So I have one trailer that's 2-inch and another one that's 2 5/16. Cayenne is rated for 7,700 pounds, and the hitch I already had was only rated for 5,800 pounds, so I felt like I was losing some of my capacity just by using a regular hitch. So I started looking for the class 3 size hitches that could tow at least 7,700 pounds, and I found this one, which is 10,000 pounds rated and 1,500 pounds tongue. Not to mention, with the gauge, it allows you to make sure you don't overload the tongue weight, which on the Cayenne with the air ride, you have to be very careful not to put too much on. I think about 700 or 770 pounds is as much as you want to put on there. So there's that clamshell, and here's a 2-inch ball. You'll notice this 2-inch stainless steel ball rated for 10,000 pounds, and you see it's a very nice piece. It's all machined, very high quality. Ball mount itself, you'll notice, is all aluminum, which I think maybe frightens some people, but not me. Very nicely packaged. Got some instructions in there. So actually I had to cut this packaging off here, but look at this thing. What a work of art this is. So you see it's 1,500 pound tongue weight, 10,000 pound trailer weight, assembled in America. Got the built-in gauge there showing you how many pounds of tongue weight you've got on. I mean, this thing is just beautiful. And of course, being aluminum, it's very light and it won't rust. Probably get a little bit of white oxidation on there, but no running rust like I have on my hitch now. I'll have to come back and torque this later, obviously. I just put it on here finger tight. There's the ball installed. Here's the clamshell. It says it's magnetic. Let's see how that fits on there. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Every time I pick it up, I keep expecting it to be heavier than it is. So there you go. There it is installed in the back of the Cayenne. So not only is it beautiful and has this cool scale built in, now I have upgraded my tow rating of the Cayenne from only 5,800 pounds of my old ball mount to 7,700 pounds, which is what the car is rated to. Pretty great. All right, let's see some comments. What you think about the aluminum weighsafe ball mount and ball? You're probably gonna tell me, why am I towing with the Cayenne? Why don't I get a F950 like everyone else has got with big old dually tires? That's fine. Let's hear it.